How to fix Cash App barcode not showing up. First of all, update the app. Go to the App Store on your device. Tap search icon and search for Cash App. If you see an update button, tap it to update it to the latest version. Now open Settings. Scroll down to General. Tap iPhone Stories. Find Cash App and tap it. Then select Offload App and confirm. Once done, tap Reinstall. If the issue persists, go to Settings again, General, and then tap iPhone Stories. Tap Delete App to uninstall, then reinstall Cash App from the App Store. If none of this step work, you can go to Customer Support team and then start a chat. Explain your issue politely, and then your issue will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.